how are you? You okay?
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay. So when you came in, you had some things to talk about. What were you going to talk about? You were telling me some stuff.
Yeah.
And I just want you to say, what were you saying? And I said, don't say much. Let's get this on camera.
Yeah, it's just a testimony of the hair that I bought from you. It's natural hair, easy maintenance, mom of two, so I wake up in the morning, brush it, and then go out literally for school run and the day and work, etc. But also it's easy maintenance. I can easily wash it. It actually dries naturally.
Okay.
So I don't need to use hair dryer because I think the heat make it could affect it. So I actually let the hair use the towel and let the hair dry naturally, and when it dries it become puffy and voluminous, easy to come and take care of. My natural hair is just maintained, and I just color it as I'm washing the hair. So it's one of the, honestly I never done weave, but this is my first weave since November. And it's the same hair that I'm using since November coming to Gigi. But at the same time, if you want to keep it nice, you need to wash it as if you're washing your hair every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. Shampoo, conditioner, because this hair loves it.
It's real human hair. That's the thing. There's no synthetics in there. And I'm just so happy because I've gone through so many vendors trying to find out, trying to see cheaper, more expensive, but I still landed back here. This has been one of the first ones I ever tried. And seriously, it's just lovely. And I'm happy that you are testing to it. And how did you get it? Because I had the hair, isn't it?
Yeah.
I put it in.
I've seen on YouTube. I wanted it.
And okay, tell us a bit about what happened with you before. Obviously, you've been coming to me before. So what was happening and why did you change your mind? You were doing weaves? No.
I have long hair naturally.
Yeah.
And Gigi has been taking care of my hair. Washing, treating, and haircut. I had a haircut before, but I've decided to change my look, and protect my own hair. Since November, I bought the hair from Gigi and I've been doing it. My hair is still fine. It's braided underneath. And every 2 months, I come to Gigi to treat it and take care of it.
How many times have you installed this now since November?
Have I installed it? Let's say every month and a half to 2 months.
So it's been like 3 installs?
Yeah.
So this will be the 4th?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I was thinking this is going to be the 3rd. So we did November, December, January, then we did February. January. So this is going to be the 3rd. Is this 3rd or 4th?
I think it's the 3rd.
I think this is the 3rd one. Yeah. Okay. So November, this is April.
Yeah.
November, December, January, February, March, April.
So this is 5
good months. Okay, cool.
But if you don't maintain it yourself,
please, can you say it so that people will know?
I cannot stress things. You have to maintain yourself. You have to wash it as if you wash your own hair. Not every day, obviously, but every 2 weeks should be fine. Don't use oil on it. Don't use heat on it. It does not need heat.
When you washed it, is this from washing? When did you wash last now?
I washed it, I think, two weeks ago. Yeah.
And then what have you done since you washed it?
Nothing. Apart from washing it, I colored my own hair. I've not put any oil. I've not put any grease on it. I just comb it every single morning.
So did you straighten it after you washed it?
No.
And you've got these curls going on.
The curls are naturally there. So when you wash it, it's like normal human hair. When you finish washing it, you comb it
out with your
to
conditioner.
And then when it dries, the curls
just
come
bounce
back.
Nicely.
Literally, the hair goes back voluminous and just bounce back.
Okay. So today, what are we doing today? We've just done the weave. We're taking out this weave today. Yes. We're going to wash, condition, and put it right back in there.
Treating my own hair, taking care of my own hair, and then putting it back.
So while we're talking though, let's maybe talk a little bit about weave. Yeah. So I know we talked about the hair, and one thing about weave is that the quality of the hair affects the weave. I have some clients that were using some hair that were not so good. They're tugging, they're pulling, and then it's affecting the hair because they're pulling. But because of the ease of maintenance, when you have good hair, that's one thing.
Yeah.
So if we leave the hair out of it now, how are you about maintaining your weave? How does weave feel since you never did weave before?
Honestly, I was stressed at the beginning. And Gigi knew to pull hair that isn't my own, on my own. And
you bought it, so it's yours now.
Yeah.
Now you own it.
So Gigi, you know that I don't like wigs.
Yeah,
Because,
or wiggy look
or wiggy look. I like when, if it's fake, it needs to be natural. And this hair has managed to make me look natural. And literally, because I've got long hair, people can't see any difference. Whether at work or at home or on the street, people can't see the difference between my own hair and this one. It is so easy to wear. I mean, every single night I put it up. And then I hold it, I wear a cap to maintain it. And in the morning, I just shake the hair and comb it. I comb the hair. And then during the day as well, I comb. So I comb regularly so that it doesn't... It's not a hair that dries. This hair remains soft
and
throughout. I'm really, really happy with this hair. And I recommend it to everybody.
Oh, lovely. I'm so happy about that. So this is my intense wave. It's just natural hair, and I'm so proud because it's not about selling things to people, but whatever you're recommending as a stylist, I'm just happy that it gives her joy. One thing I wanted to say is that now somebody's going to say, if you have long hair, why are you putting on a weave though?
Oh man, you need to change. I've been many years without anything unnatural. I just wanted a change. Just to see if I look nice in a different way,
just to change up your look.
Just
sometimes
change
you
my
just
look.
need that people come here, there's a change and now there's a smile. It doesn't mean that your hair is not beautiful. We do your hair again. You need to be comfortable with your hair. It's better if we're comfortable and happy with the hair that we're given, but we also have the choice.
I have been leaving my hair out for a year, which means that it needs resting, it needs treating. It's not that it's damaged or thing. It's
just some low manipulation.
Fine. Exactly. Something there to let it rest. And this is just perfect because I look like myself, you know, every single day. Although it's not my real hair, but it look like my real hair.
Oh, and how would you say it out? Did it when I say your hair, you have your confidence with your hair, but has this helped with confidence?
Yeah, loads. Again, I can't stress, we are all moms.
Busy.
Life is so busy. You need something. You need to look beautiful without feeling stress in the morning. When I wake up in the morning and I have to prepare the kids for school, prepare for work, I need something that I just come out of the shower and then look beautiful again without making any effort.
Woo! It's a win-win all around.
Exactly.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna brush it out because we're gonna be taking this out. Don't worry about me. This is not about me. But then I'm so proud of this hair, and I love it because anything I put out, I use myself, and I know that look, this actually works. And it's nice and easy. Even though I'm a hair stylist, I'm a hair coach. But one thing I like is simplicity. I don't like overly complicated stuff. You know, people that are always trying to complicate things so that it looks harder for people. No, let's keep it easy. Let's keep it simple. So now I'm going to be taking this out today. We're going to be treating her hair because even underneath the weave, we want her hair to be healthy so that when she's ready to come back and wear her hair out, her hair is going to be beautiful. So when people say, I won't call it protective hairs, I'll call it a low manipulation hairstyle. When they say they are bad, it depends. And I want to ask as well, what has been the thing with your weave? Has it been tight? You know, has it been uncomfortable?
No, the hair is on my head as if it's my natural hair. There's no different. The way Gigi install it, I recommend you. If you buy this hair, let Gigi install it for you. It feels natural. It's great. You don't even feel it. You don't feel as if you're wearing a hat or something on top of your own head. It's great.
Oh, that's beautiful. So now if you're a hairstylist and you want to know how to install safe, low manipulation weaves, please get in touch. I've got a few slots remaining. You can achieve that. A lot of people run away from things like this because of the tightness. It's pulling on their scalp. That's not what we want. If you're not based in the UK, in Manchester, I have online courses. I have one-on-ones. So get in touch and we'll get this sorted. Thank you so much, Valerie. I appreciate you.
Thank you, guys. Please buy the product, buy the hair. You will not regret it.
Oh, my biggest fans.
Take care of it yourself as well.
She's warning you because that's one thing people actually forget. Oh, they just put it on their hair. It's easy to maintain, but you need to take care of it because it's real hair. If you don't take care of it, it's going to dry off, break, have split ends and shed. And then how about shedding? I know we're rounding up, but is the hair shedding?
I mean, like every human hair, when you comb,
some realistic
so it's
shedding.
realistic shedding. It's not loads of yeah.
Okay, cool. So that is it. Thank you. I can't wait to take out this install. We're going to be reinstalling. This was how many packs? I think this was 2 packs plus something. 3 packs of 16 inches. Yeah. And then we installed about 2 packs and a quarter.
Yeah.
So I always recommend to have a little bit more than you need. The last time she didn't bring the extra hair. Today we're going to use more of the hair so that we add more volume, because like we said, it does shed a realistic bit, not a lot, but then as it goes, because that means the hair is a bit thinning out a bit, and then the extra will just help to put it all together. So that is thank you guys. See you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, you're natural.